Yeah, we are looking at the differentiation of a logarithm function of ln. That's log to base e. Okay, uh, uh, y equal to log to base ln f of x. Y equal to ln f of x is the same thing as what? Logarithm ln is the same thing as what? Logarithm to base e of that function. So when you want to differentiate a logarithm function, okay, a logarithm to base e or ln, how do you do it? Okay, it's very simple. Your dy dx, your differential coefficient will be equal to derivative of the function, which is what? F prime of x. Okay, the function you have here, the derivative of that, all over the function itself. So that's how to differentiate logarithm or ln function. For example, now you have y equal to ln 2x, for example. Okay, the derivative, the differential coefficient will be equal to derivative of that function, which will be equal to what? 2 over the function itself. So that's that. So that will be equal to what? 1 over x. So let's take some questions. Yeah, question 1. Question 1, we have y equal to ln 1 plus x squared. Okay, this is not the absolute value. It's not absolute value. Just like you can use some question we use brackets. So 1 plus x plus x squared. Some question we use brackets. So the derivative of that, the y dx is equal to, it's a function of x, so that will be the y dx, and that will be equal to derivative of that function, derivative of this one, which will be equal to what? Derivative of 1 is 0, of this x is what? 1, of this one is what? 2x, all over the function itself, which is 1 plus x squared. So that finished the question. Okay? Then the next one, number 2, y equal to what? ln 2x minus 3. Okay? Now we equal to the y dx will be equal to the derivative of this function, which will be equal to what? 2 over 2x minus 3. Okay? I finished the work. Okay? The derivative of 2x minus 3 is 2. Okay? Then the last one, number 3, y equal to ln this. Then you can expand this one and this one. X times x is x squared. Then x times 1, that's x. Okay, so we have x squared plus x. Okay, so can we do the differentiation? Differentiation will now be equal to y dx will be equal to the derivative of this function, which will be equal to what? 2x plus 1 all over the function itself. So that's that. So if you like, you can factorize that, factorize it back as you have it in the question.